friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw an Iron Man Halloween mask. So first we're going to get started by closing off the top of the head. So we're going to start on the left hand side and we're going to curve this around. And we're just going to bring this back down on the right. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal, bringing that through, doing the same on the right, just ending that at the same height. Now from here, starting back on this line, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the bottom. Again, we're going to replicate that on the right hand side, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line through towards the bottom. Again, replicating that on the right hand side. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's come into the mask and add some details. First, we're going to map out where we're going to do all the wrap for the mummy. So we're going to start on the left hand side and we're going to bring this diagonal line over and through towards the right. We're going to step back up on the top and we're just going to again follow that through towards the side. Let's step up. We're going to curve this over and through towards the top. Stepping across again from that corner, we're going to curve this out. Let's step up again. We're going to curve this across towards the right. Now let's drop down. From that corner, we're going to curve this over and through towards the left-hand side. Dropping down, let's replicate that. Let's come up. We're going to curve this through towards the left. And then again, stepping up, leaving a gap, we're going to bring this back around and in towards the strap in the middle. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this through again. Let's come across. We're going to curve this line out towards the side, dropping below, again, curving this line over and through. Let's drop down. We're going to leave quite a big gap here for the eyes. So we're going to move down in the corner and we're going to curve this down on a diagonal all the way over towards the left. In the corner again, we're just going to curve this through and out on the side. Now coming underneath, we're going to curve this line out towards the right. Let's drop down again. We're going to bring this line over and through towards the side. Let's come down underneath. We're going to bring this line across. We're going to step up. Just going to replicate that, leaving a small gap. Let's add in the details on the side. We're going to bring this diagonal line out for where the ear is. We're going to curve this line down slightly towards the bottom, and we're just going to end this at the same height. And then from here on the side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line, curving that in towards the side of our head. Let's draw in some of the straps as they come out behind. So on the top right, we're going to curve this line up towards the side. We're going to drop below, and we're going to replicate that, curving that out, ending this on a diagonal. Let's close this off on the top. We're going to curve this down on the side. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in a small detailed line, curving that up. Let's come across. On the left-hand side again, we're going to curve this through towards the top of our page. Stepping down, we're going to curve this around and through again, ending that on a diagonal. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line around and down. And then in the center again, curving this through towards the top. Now let's drop down. We're going to curve this line around and down towards the bottom, stepping in, curving this over and across. Let's connect this together with another curved line. And then again, just another detailed line right in the center, bringing that out. Let's map out Iron Man's face now. So we're going to start on the left-hand side. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. We're going to line that up at the same height on the right-hand side. And then we're going to bring this diagonal line out and through. Let's connect it together. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's step up in the center. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming through. We'll do the same thing on the right. On the top corner, we're going to curve this in slightly towards the wrap. And then right in the center, we're going to draw in another curved line, bringing that directly across. Let's step over. Let's draw in another diagonal line coming out. Again, moving over, lining that up at the same height. We're just going to replicate that on the right. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out slightly towards the side. We're going to do the same on the left. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to bring this small diagonal line down. Let's move up. We're going to curve this line down in the corner, flipping over on the left-hand side, again, curving this over and across. We're going to draw in two small circles. So right on the top here in the center, we're going to draw in a circle. We're going to step over on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's come down in the space on the right hand side, and we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming through towards the bottom, stepping across, replicating that. And then we're going to flip over on the right hand side in this small gap here and doing the same thing. Let's come down now. In the center on the left, we're going to curve this line out. Stepping over, let's replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards that line on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing, bringing this over and out on the right. From that line in the corner, we're going to bring that up. Let's move in towards the center. We're going to bring this line directly across, connecting that together. Let's step up. We're going to bring another diagonal line that comes through. We're going to bring this line across in the middle. And then we're going to bring this up and over on the top right. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down towards that corner. And then we're going to bring that line out, stepping across, drawing in another diagonal line. On the inside, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the center, ending that at the same height. And then from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line across on both sides. Now let's step up. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And now inside here, we're going to draw in our eyes. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, bringing this line out and then in on a diagonal. And then we're going to bring this line through towards the side. Now let's bring this line up. Let's step in. We're going to bring this line back down. We'll do the same on the left, and we're just going to follow the line on the outside. So as we come in, we're just going to leave a gap as we come all the way around, just following that line together. And then in the corner here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same on the top left. Let's draw in the actual eye part now. So we're going to curve this line down, bringing that across and in towards the side. And then on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Let's step over on the right now. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming down. We're going to bring this over and through towards the wrap. We're going to bring this out on the side and then back up. And then from that corner, we're just going to close that off with a diagonal line. Now from here, we're going to come underneath and we're going to bring this line out and then in towards the top. Again, closing that off in the corner. And then again for the eye, we're just going to start on the outside, curving this around and then in towards the middle. Let's step under. On the right hand side, let's bring this diagonal line across. And then from here, we're going to bring this over, starting in the corner again, curving that down. Let's move underneath now. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line over and across. Let's move underneath for the mouth. Now we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. We'll do the same as we come across on the left, bringing that up. Let's bring this diagonal line through towards the left. In the center, we're going to curve this over slightly towards the right. And then on the top, we're going to bring this line over and through towards the side. Let's bring a diagonal line that comes across from both sides. And then now from here, we're going to bring this line out. We'll do the same thing on the side, bringing this up. And then from this corner, curving this around and through. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line up. From this line here, bringing this over and out towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw an Iron Man mask for Halloween. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.